So, hey guys, how are you all? And I am back again with another new video. And I know I didn't uploaded any video from past few days, but don't you worry. Now I am back. So, today in this video, we will going to see how you can draw dynamic poses with the help of gesture drawing. So, without any time wasting, let's begin the video. So, you have ever felt that your poses are so stiff or they are not so dynamic? Then this video is for you. But before drawing gesture, you need to understand the basic proportion of the body, like how tall is a human body or how long his legs, hands and torso. So a human body is 8 head tall and it can go up to 7 and 7.5 also. It's depend upon you. And pelvis is the center part of the body. So these are the basic information for drawing human body. Now let's draw a gesture. First thing you have to do before drawing a gesture, draw a line of action. And line of action is a line. It shows the flow of the pose and it will help you to draw gesture. And after that you have to draw long wavy lines to show the form and flow of the pose. So this is our first gesture. So congratulations to you all. You have come this far. Let's draw our second pose. And again we are going to follow the same method and same technique. And you know guys, for gesture drawing you don't need to learn all those human anatomy or their names. But if you want to become a good artist, at least you need to know the basic information of anatomy. So let's draw the third pose. Everything is going to be the same. And one more thing about the gesture drawing, you need to understand the balance of the pose or the all body weight. For example, in this pose the whole body weight is on this leg. So let's increase our level and now let's draw a group pose. This is the reference. Most of the time it's really hard to find line of action in the sitting poses, but with some practice you will able to find it. I think I didn't draw any line of action from these poses. So hey guys, this is it for today, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.